To continue our netting, this time we shall call our regular 1041s. Any 1041s who would like to check in, ID Alert Net Control on 1012.
Good evening, Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder, if you have any 1064, sir, you may proceed.
Thank you so much, Control, for the acknowledgement. No 64, no 33 in my AOR. Just supporting tonight's night. My station, Tenet Control. Good evening, Control. Back to you.
TNX, sir, for logging in. That was the station of Blue Thunder on 1018 with no 64 and no 1033 at your AOR. Best 40%, sir. And I copy your station on 10, 8, and 12. Buenas noches, sir.
Good evening, Golden J.
Golden J, if you have any 1064, sir, you may proceed.